Christmas. Come here, Bailey. Come here. Santa came. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. What's this is for you? Hey, Bailey, look. Look, this is for you. Snip it. What's in there? Bailey, look. Look. Come here. What's that? It's a nice blanket for you. It's a Yankees blanket. That's your new blanket. Do you like it? You do? Say thanks, Auntie Nicole and Uncle Sam and Oliver and Mackenzie. Aw, thanks, guys. Look, that's your blanket. Here, get right on it. Oh, that's comfy. That's yeah, that's comfy. That's my shoe. She's checking out underneath the dew. It's over. Turn around and say Merry Christmas.